Alright guys, before I do the intro, I just want to tell you why my voice sounds like this. It's because I found out Go Thomas, my favorite Thomas mobile game, turned into a legend, so I screamed into my pillow so hard. So now I have a really bad voice. So yeah, it's just gonna. Hey guys, welcome Jesus Christ to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be packing everything into my bag that I'm bringing to the UK, because I'm going to the UK literally tomorrow as of recording this. So I'm going to be going through everything I'm bringing, starting off with Uno. Then I have my new book, Five Nights at Freddy's Official Character Encyclopedia. For my Funko Snaps, I'm going to be bringing my newest one, Golden Freddy, and my second newest one, Chica and Springtrap. I'm not going to be bringing the sets of the other three because, like, the only reason why I'm bringing a few is because I'm obviously gonna get some. I feel like I'm gonna get some in the UK. So, like, I have my eyes on Toy Freddy's top place set. For taking place, I have Duck, Donald, Thomas, Metallic Toby, Metallic Diesel. I just realized I'm not putting this right, am I? Because I'm not like that, like this. Anyways, Trackmasters, I have Lady, Douglas, another Thomas, James, and Boko. For the plushies, I have Enid, Slush, Eve, Vaporeon, Smooches, Ballora, Bendy. Yes, I have Ballora now, by the way. And Glad Not Freddy. I got him yesterday as we're recording this. Springtrap, Tie-Dye, Monty, and Funtime Freddy and Bonbon. Then for my woodens, I'm bringing like all of it because I can't be bothered to find the actual one. And then on this box is the 2022 Percy Henry Edward Gordon. I'm probably not going to be bringing some of these, so like I'm going to have to take a few stuff out. Okay, so this is going to be my bag. I'm going to have like some stuff in this little zipper and then this thing as well. So yeah, let's get packing. I'm gonna have these two at the top of the bag. I'm gonna have to take some of these out. Now I'm gonna add my Trackmasters. Alright, I've decided I'm taking out these four. I'm so sorry for them. Oh, I don't know what I'm saying right now. What the hell? Alright, I gotta fit this in, so I've taken everything out. I'm gonna have to decide some more stuff to get rid of. I'm gonna get rid of those four, as I said. I'm gonna get rid of Boko and Diesel. The thing is, I usually have a suitcase, but this year I'm only getting a bag. So, like, this is a really hard thing. But this is wondering, I'm also not bringing Bendy's. Okay, this is kind of good. Now I'm gonna put in Trackmasters. Alright, that's good. I'm not gonna be able to bring all of them. Sad face. Uno's gonna just go there. I'm gonna zip it up for now. I'm gonna put a few stuff in here. Wait, I might be able to fit this one. Yep. So I managed to fit in all my Funko Snaps all over and the taking place. So that's good. Now I have to do something about this and fit those in. A tight fit, but I managed to get Trackmaster Thompson Lady in here. And there's a bit more space in here. Sad face, I could only fit him in. Okay, I'm gonna do a Famous 11 part 2, so I'm gonna have to just get a different version of Gordon Edward Henry. Digging through my engines, digging, I'm such a sorry, I forgot the word, I don't know what I want to say. I'm just gonna have to take and play. Wrong Henry, joking. Found Henry, found Gordon, found Tender, found Edward's Tender. No idea how, but I managed to fit Gordon in here, and yet there's still a bit of space. I think I'm gonna have to put Henry in here. Okay, so I can't bring Percy either, the wooden Percy. I'm just gonna bring this Percy. Alright, I'm sat down, you know I'm looking really good now. Oh, I still found Henry's Tender. Timber! You know how much pain and suffering I go through finding legends. Like, I can't even still find to complete Douglas anywhere. Oh, I don't know why, I just found depressed. I swear to God though, Edward's gonna, you guys are gonna end up seeing Edward and like, I'm just gonna see him slow down. Also, I do know Edward's in this tub. Found him finally. Yay! I'm more excited, but you know I've got a bad throat. Never mind, I'm bringing him. Never mind. And you know what? Yes. God has saved me from this horrible torment. Just found out I have to fit my iPad and my Switch here. So I think I'm just gonna put them in my brother's pocket. Oh yeah, I was also gonna show you Thomas's stuff, but he already packed. Okay guys, thanks for watching this really boring video. Bye, see you in the UK. No, I'm probably gonna upload the Squid Game videos before the UK ones.